Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.3 question number 6. Let's see the question. Show that f in closed bracket, in closed interval they are given -1 to 1 to r. To r means two real numbers given by f of x is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1 to 1. So they have given it is 1 to 1. We need to show that it is 1 to 1. Find the inverse of the function f -1 to 1 goes to range f. Here we need to prove it is 1 to 1, but seeing the range, we know that this function goes to R and the same function goes to range, means usually this is domain, this goes to codomain. Here the codomain is nothing but what? Nothing but the range. That means the codomain is equal to range, so it is also an onto function. If it is 1 to 1 and onto, therefore the inverse exists. Now let me start with the first subdivision. What they have given, f is -1 to 1 to r. Yeah, we need to prove it is 1 to 1. 1 to 1, we know the formula that f of, we need to prove that x1 is equal to x2 to prove it is 1 to 1. Here given as f of x means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Yeah, instead of x1, write the value x as x1. Wherever we have x, just write it as x1. The same way here x2 by x2 plus 2. We can't cancel it because this is totally different. This is x1 and x2. So cross multiply it. If we cross multiply, this comes to here and this comes to here. So x1 into x2 plus 2 is equal to x2 into x1 plus 2. Multiply it inside, it becomes x1 x2 plus 2x1 is equal to x1 x2 plus 2x2. This get cancelled. If this come to that side, it comes in the minus sign, so we can cancel it when it is in equal to the same sign. Now this becomes 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Even 2 get cancelled, it is in multiply, so x1 is equal to x2. As we got x1 is equal to x2, we can write this to be a 1 to 1 function. Therefore f is an 1 to 1 function. We have proved this to be 1 to 1 function. We also know f of -1 to 1 to real numbers, which is also same as -1 to 1 to range. That means the codomain here is equal to the range. So codomain is equal to range means we know that if this codomain is equal to the range, therefore f is a onto function. If it is both 1 to 1 and onto function, therefore that means the inverse exists. Therefore f is bijective function. Bijective function, and it is invertible. Invertible means we can able to find the inverse. Now let us start with the inverse. For inverse, it is given as f of x is equal to x by x plus 2. We usually for inverse will bring it to be x is equal to. For that reason, I am going to take let y is equal to f of x. In the place of f of x, I am going to substitute the value y here. So y is equal to x by x plus 2. Bring this number here, it becomes xy plus 2y equal to x. Bring x to this side, so it becomes 2y equal to x minus xy. X common, if I take x common, I'll write it here equal to 2y. Here x common, if I take x common, it becomes 1 minus y is equal to 2y. So x is equal to 2y by 1 minus y. For inverse, we have x is equal to 2x by 1 minus x. They have asked for inverse. Inverse means x is nothing but what? We have taken y is equal to f of x. If I bring x to the side and y to the side, it becomes x is nothing but f inverse y. So just remember this, x is nothing but f inverse x. So this can be written x, instead of x we can also write this to be f inverse y is equal to 2y by 1 minus y. So they have asked us to find the inverse. We have found the inverse to be 2y by 1 minus y. This is your inverse of the given sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.